Good evening, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn about heavy and light objects. Okay? The objects, it's very difficult to lift or move. It is heavy objects. And the things that easiest to lift or move, it is light objects. Now let me show what is heavy objects and what is light objects. When you see a football, a big football, it is a heavy object for you because it's very difficult to move, right? And when you see a brick, it is also a very heavy object for you because it's very difficult to lift. So these are the example of heavy objects. Now, what is light objects? When you lift a feather or when you lift a balloon, you feel very light. You feel very easy to lift it. So, these are the example of light objects. Now, let me show you something real objects. Students, I have a pencil and I have a pencil box. Okay, when you lift the pencil, how does you feel? You feel, ma'am, it is very light, right? And when you lift the pencil box, how does you feel? Ma'am, it is very heavy, right? Now I have two notebooks. One is small notebook and one is big notebook. When you lift the small notebook, how does you feel? You feel it is very light, ma'am, right? And when you lift the big notebook, it is very difficult to lift. So it is a heavy object, right? Same things here. When you lift a balloon, it is very easy for you. So it is a light object. But when you lift up full water bottles, it is a very heavy for you. So it is a heavy object. I know you all have teddy bears and soft toys at your home, right? I have also two soft toys. One is small one and one is big one. When I hold the small one, I feel it is very, very, very light. It is a small one. It is a cute and it is a very light one. Okay. But when you hold or lift the big one, you feel it is very heavy. Okay. So it is a light object. It is a heavy object. Let me show you something different, one magic. See, students, I have a bowl with water, okay? And I have a plastic salt and I have a plastic cotton. Right now, I feel this, the plastic of cotton is very lighter. It's very light. But the plastic of salt is very heavy. Okay, now let me show you something else. Now I put this in the water, the cotton one and the salt one. Okay, now what happened? Let's see. Okay, now let's see. After some time, all the salt dissolves in the water. So now it is a light. It is a light object. But all cottons absorbed water, and it is a heavy object. Okay, now it is a light object. Salt is light objects and cotton is now heavy objects because it dissolves the water. Stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing the heavy and light objects at your home. Thank you, students.